What if one motorcycle could redefine what luxury, power, and long-distance comfort truly mean? The Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide is not just another touring bike. It is a symbol of dominance on the open road, a machine built for riders who demand more than just transportation. Welcome to SG Riders, where we explore the most powerful and premium machines on two wheels. Motorcycle overview. What makes it special? The CVO Road Glide stands at the very top of Harley-Davidson's touring lineup. CVO stands for Custom Vehicle Operations, which means this bike is handcrafted, limited, and packed with exclusive features you won't find in standard models. This is not built for everyone. It's built for riders who want premium design, advanced performance, long distance, unmatched road presence. From the moment you look at it, you can tell this machine is engineered to stand out. High voltage engine and performance, pure power. At the heart of the CVO Road Glide is the powerful Milwaukee-Eight VVT engine. This engine delivers strong torque across all RPM ranges, smooth acceleration on highways, effortless overtaking power. Unlike smaller bikes that struggle at high speeds, this machine thrives on long-distance rides. You don't just ride this bike, you glide through miles of open road with confidence. The variable valve timing system ensures better fuel efficiency, smoother power delivery, enhanced performance at both low and high speeds. This means whether you're cruising through the city or pushing through endless highways, the bike responds perfectly. Motorway long-distance riding experience. This bike is designed for one purpose: conquering long distances. The riding posture is relaxed, allowing you to ride for hours without fatigue. The suspension system is tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections with ease. On highways, the bike feels stable, planted, and incredibly smooth. This is the kind of motorcycle where 100 miles feels like 20 long rides, feel effortless, and every journey becomes an experience. Headphone technology. Next level features. The CVO Road Glide is not just about power. It's also packed with advanced technology. At the center is a large touchscreen infotainment system. This system offers navigation, Bluetooth, control, ride data. One of the standout features is the premium audio system. The sound quality is crystal clear, even at high speeds. Imagine riding on the highway, your favorite music playing, wind cutting through the air. This is the kind of experience this bike delivers. Shield safety and control. Safety is a major focus in this motorcycle. The bike includes advanced rider assistance features such as traction control, cornering, ABS, stability systems. These features help maintain control in different riding conditions. Whether you're riding on wet roads or taking sharp turns, the bike keeps you stable and confident. This makes it suitable not only for experienced riders, but also for those stepping into premium touring bikes. Couch comfort. Built for HORS of riding comfort is where the CVO Road Glide truly shines. The seat is designed for long-distance touring, offering excellent support for both rider and passenger. The handlebars are positioned perfectly to reduce strain on shoulders and wrists. The wind protection from the shark nose fairing reduces fatigue caused by wind pressure. This means less tiredness, more enjoyment, longer rides without discomfort. Artist palette design and road presence. This bike doesn't just perform, it dominates visually. The design is bold, aggressive, and unmistakably Harley. Key highlights include signature shark nose, front premium paint finishes, chrome detailing, LED lighting system. Every detail is crafted with precision. When this bike stops at a signal, people notice. When it passes by, heads turn. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a presence. United States. Why USA riders love it? In the United States, motorcycles are more than machines, they represent freedom. The CVO Road Glide perfectly fits into this culture. USA riders love it because it's perfect for cross-country travel. It delivers comfort for long highways. It reflects a premium lifestyle. From California highways to Texas roads, this bike feels at home. It's built for American roads, wide, open, and endless. Direct hit. Who is this bike for? This is not a beginner bike. It is designed for experienced riders, touring enthusiasts, Harley lovers, riders who want luxury and performance. If you are someone who values comfort, power, and style, this bike is for you. Money bag. Price and value. The CVO Road Glide sits in the premium segment. Yes, it is expensive, but what you get in return is exclusive design, top-tier performance, advanced technology, premium comfort. This is not just a purchase, it's an investment in experience. Fire real riding experience. Riding this bike feels different. The weight gives it stability. The engine gives it authority. The comfort gives it endurance. On highways, it feels like you're floating. On long rides, it feels like time slows down. This is the kind of motorcycle that makes you want to keep riding and riding and riding. Loudspeaker call to action. If you love powerful touring bikes like this, hit that like button, drop a comment below. Would you ride the CVO Road Glide? Speech balloon. And don't forget to subscribe to SG Riders for more premium motorcycle content. Bell end outro. Final impact. The Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide is not just about getting from one place to another. It's about the journey, it's about the experience, it's about owning the road. This is not just a motorcycle, this is freedom on two wheels. Stay connected with SG Riders, where passion meets power.